Today is the masterclass for IOTM, and with your humble host. My name is Nitesh Chopra, and I am a product manager at Avishkaar. So today what we'll be discussing is we'll first understand, and although most of you already know what IOTM is, it's the Innovator of the Month contest. But some of you might be new here, so we'll be talking about what this contest is. Then we'll talk about what are the awesome prizes that you can win after this contest. Then we'll take a little bit of time to talk about the theme of this contest. So each month that we conduct this competition, there's a different theme. So we'll talk about the theme for the contest. Then we'll talk about all of these different rules that you have to follow to make sure your project does not get disqualified once you submit it for the competition. And finally, I'll be sharing some really nice ideas for you to inspire you towards making your own project. And there's a nice surprise at the very end of this masterclass. We'll be doing a small quiz, and the kids who, the one lucky winner who wins that quiz will get an Avishkaar scholarship of ₹500. Innovator of the Month is a monthly contest that we organize for the Avishkaar community to cultivate innovation and creativity. And so we have all of these different thousands and thousands of students across the globe who are part of our community. They are part of this Let's Avishkaar group that most of you all have already joined. So we organize this contest for these students to give them a platform to express all these bubbling ideas that they keep having and to win amazing prizes. So there'll be one grand winner, and this grand winner will get some really awesome prizes. One of them would be their very own remote control drone. So I'm sure all of you all know what a drone is, and the one grand winner for the Innovator of the Month contest will get their very own drone, which they can control using a remote control. And this grand winner will also get enrollment into a coding course. So this will be a 2-month coding and app development course worth ₹6,000. They will win an Amazon gift voucher worth ₹500. And finally, they will also win an Avishkaar scholarship worth ₹1,000. So there are these amazing prizes that you can win if you really have the best idea and you are able to build your project in the most awesome way. About the theme for this contest. So for this time, the theme that we have is called Beat the Heat, because the summer vacation is going on, your summer season is going on around you, and there are these dozens of problems that people face during the summer season. So now I think we'll take a pause and we'll actually discuss all of these ideas that you all are already thinking about, and I can share feedback to you. So Satvik is saying, "Sir, I have made a mini cooler." That is a fantastic idea, Satvik. So Arav is saying, "Sir, I have made a water dispenser using DIY, and I made an ice dispenser with it using Avishkaar kits." Fantastic. So Arav, that is again a really great point that you managed to combine DIY material and an Avishkaar kit to make your project. That really tells us that you're trying to push the capability of your project. There's a small surprise for you. We are going to ask you a riddle, and the student who can get the answer the fastest will actually win an Avishkaar scholarship worth ₹500. The count of 3, right? 3, 2, 1, and here is your riddle. And the riddle is that I appear once in summer, twice in autumn, but never in winter. What am I? And yes, you have gotten the answer right. It is the letter U, but the first person to answer it is Adiraj. So congratulations, Adiraj. You will be winning the Avishkaar scholarship. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you for joining.